Hey everyone, you've just sold a large amount of cryptocurrency on Gemini. You're ready to cash out and enjoy your profits. But before you click that withdraw button, a question pops into your mind. How much is the wire withdrawal fee? Hook. Today, we're diving deep into that question. We'll explore the wire withdrawal fee on Gemini, how it's calculated, and what factors might influence the cost. So, if you're ready to learn more, let's get started. Understanding wire transfers. Before we delve into Gemini's specific fees, let's quickly recap what a wire transfer is. A wire transfer is a method of electronically transferring funds from one bank account to another, often across different institutions or countries. It's a secure and efficient way to move large sums of money. Gemini's wire withdrawal fee. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, Gemini's wire withdrawal fee. While Gemini doesn't publicly disclose an exact flat fee for wire withdrawals, we can provide you with some insights based on general industry practices and user experiences. Typically, cryptocurrency exchanges, including Gemini, charge a fee for wire withdrawals. This fee is often a combination of two components. Fixed fee. This is a flat fee charged regardless of the withdrawal amount. It covers the administrative costs associated with processing the wire transfer. Percentage fee. This is a fee calculated as a percentage of the withdrawal amount. It helps to offset the costs incurred by the exchange for using the wire transfer network. The exact breakdown of the fixed and percentage fees can vary depending on factors such as withdrawal amount. Larger withdrawals might incur lower percentage fees. Currency. Fees for different currencies may differ. Destination country. International wire transfers often involve additional fees. Exchange policies. Gemini may have specific fee structures in place for certain types of accounts or withdrawal methods. Factors affecting wire withdrawal fees. To give you a better understanding of how wire withdrawal fees can vary, let's explore some of the key factors that might influence the cost. Withdrawal amount. As mentioned earlier, larger withdrawals might have lower percentage fees. This is because the fixed fee becomes a smaller proportion of the overall withdrawal amount. Currency. Converting funds between different currencies can involve additional fees. Gemini may charge a currency conversion fee in addition to the wire withdrawal fee. Destination country. International wire transfers often require more complex routing and processing, which can lead to higher fees. Exchange policies. Gemini may have specific fee structures in place for certain types of accounts or withdrawal methods. For example, verified users might enjoy lower fees compared to unverified users. How to minimize wire withdrawal fees. While it's impossible to completely eliminate wire withdrawal fees, there are a few strategies you can employ to minimize the cost. Maximize withdrawal amounts. By withdrawing larger sums of money less frequently, you can reduce the impact of fixed fees. Choose wisely. If you have multiple options for withdrawing funds, compare the fees charged by each method. Verify your account. Many exchanges offer lower fees to verified users. Ensure that your account is fully verified to take advantage of any potential discounts. Timing. Be aware of any peak times or holidays when fees might be higher. Try to schedule your withdrawals during off-peak periods. Conclusion. While Gemini doesn't publicly disclose a specific wire withdrawal fee, we've provided you with valuable insights into the factors that can influence the cost. By understanding the components of the fee and the strategies to minimize it, you can make informed decisions when withdrawing funds from your Gemini account. Remember, it's always a good idea to check Gemini's official website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information on wire withdrawal fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.